Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Y'all, the weather in South Texas is tripping today. That was a bit loud, but the weather was tripping today. Um, I was told to stay home from work because it is mad chaos in these streets. The rain is pouring down, the sky is gray, thunder and lightning. Just had a family member call me and send me a video. Tornado was behind her job. They had to stop filming, young people. They had to stop filming and rush and run inside because the tornado was starting to pull things off the ground into the sky. I was like, why? Why y'all out there videoing the tornado? Y'all, look at this mess. Pray for us, y'all. It's a mess. It's an absolute mess in South Texas today. Something's really going on with the weather, and Mother Nature is real, real mad. Y'all know that red light getting me every time. Y'all already know. So can you all see? I hope you all can hear me because the rain is coming down. It is just sheets of water. Don't know if you can see right there. Let me change the filter. Can you all see that right there? I changed the filter, but there's a river flowing down the side of my house. Let me go on the porch and let me show y'all how bad it is. Everybody. This is the side of my house in the front. That's my front flower bed. Ooh, was that a bird? Look at all the water. Just there's a river along the side of my house. That is a literal river along the side of my house. This is crazy. Oh my word. This is crazy, y'all. I'm going back in the house. I can't. I cannot. I cannot. All right, y'all. Can you see the opposite side of my house over there? I'm going to zoom in. Y'all see all that water flowing down the side of my house? I have a literal moat flowing into the street down the side of my house. You can see right there, right there. That's like a freaking river. It's a river on both sides of my house. It is crazy. The water is literally flowing down the street. Oh my gosh. All right, y'all. I have come back inside the house. My neighbor, he was getting into his truck, and I'm like, I know you're not going nowhere. He said, I gotta go to work. I said, oh, please be careful. There's tornadoes flying around. And I just got another phone call. Downtown, tornado was spotted downtown. Y'all, I'm going back in the house. Unnecessary chaos down here today. I don't know what they did to tick off Mother Nature, but she not happy. She not happy at all. Not happy at all. Mm-mm-mm. And I'm afraid to look at what's going on in the backyard because if I've got that much water flowing down the side yards, the backyard is going to be a mess too. Oh, I'm not ready for it.
It's hotter, right?
Hot and cold.
Yeah, I feel the hotter.
There it is.
You feel that hotter? That's that wind. That's that tornado.
That's a tornado.
That's right there.
I am back with the update. I'm in the backyard, as y'all can see, back of the house. It just stopped pouring down raining. I don't know if it's going to continue up, but it just stopped like 15 to 30 minutes ago. And as I was looking out the back door, I saw a lot of water resting right here in front of the patio. It has subsequently subsided some, But I just want to give you all a look at how much water is out here compared to the the side yards and what you saw a moment ago. Let's take a look. That right there was empty. It had no water in it um, yesterday, and the bucket here that I keep my firewood in for my chimenea had no water in it, and you can see that it's also full. Now, right here in front of the patio, it is very, very sloshy. You all can see that there is a puddle of water right there. Can you all see that? Puddle. That's a huge puddle of water. That's just standing water. Crazy. I'm on the side of the house. Now, I showed you all the side. This is the side of the house where I was actually leaning over the banister, showing you the water flowing towards the front of the house over there. And I didn't get an opportunity to clean out my buckets, but my buckets are all full of water. All the buckets that are open, there might be one down there, right there, that isn't full, but I can't walk over here. It is completely saturated with water. I mean, completely saturated. So yeah, you can't tell, but right there, that is, that's how saturated that whole side is. You see how wet that is? Completely saturated. There was so much rain and runoff. I don't know if you all can tell how the wood chip is disturbed right in here and right in here. It's literally been moved out of the way, I guess, as the water was flowing. Not quite sure, but definitely moved out of the way. And everything is completely drenched as I would believe that it would be. Now, this is going towards where my memorial garden is and back behind the greenhouse. And as you can see, the water, oh, and it feels like I'm walking on carpet. It's just a weird feeling. Um, the water has run off all of the wood chip. It is insane. Don't know if you can tell. You see how the wood chip is all on the patio? It was like it was moving the wood chip going that way, just moving it all. And the wood chips are empty here, where it's taken it down to the bare soil or the underlayment. You can see the same thing right here, where the water has been flowing and moving all the wood chips out of the way. But yeah, the walking on this feels really strange. So much water. Same here, where the water had pooled and was moving all of the wood chip going towards the house. Same here. I don't see, my word. I dumped this out last night. Let me show y'all. I dumped this pot out last night, but it got dark and I wasn't able to drill any extra holes. My potatoes are ruined. That is just full of water, full of water. I'm not going to be upset. I didn't have time to drill holes. It was dark. So yeah, I'm going to have to start over with that. But I just want to show you the real life of what happens when Mother Nature decides that it's going to do what it's going to do. You can see here water flowing, moving the wood chips. There was water flowing here. Absolute insanity. That was so much water. So much water. The greenhouse floor, water came inside the greenhouse. There's water standing right there. My goodness. I don't think I've ever seen water standing on the greenhouse floor. Wow. The windows were open, and that's probably what happened. I can see water on the frame there. So it was probably, uh, it came in from the windows. But all I have is this wood plank here. The sides are open. All this is just wood chip. And the back, that back there, I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's what it looks like along the sides. It's open with wood chip. Down here is where my cut flower garden is, and you can tell the disturbance from the wood chip. This was empty. It didn't have any water in it. It is absolutely full, so I can tell it was overflowing, and there was water all down here. Not only that, and I'm not going to go down that far because I don't want to. I don't want to. But I want to show you all. You see that puddle right there? There was a huge flow of water flowing this way. So I am going to have to replace all the wood chip in the pathways, including this one, because it's a pathway. And I can't tell all the way down the path. I don't see very much disturbance, but I'm sure it is pretty much like this one. Oh my goodness. My mom asked me a couple of weeks ago when I was going to get an order of wood chips, when I was going to call Chip Drop and ask for more chips to be brought over. Y'all, I don't want another Chip Drop because it's a lot of work. It's very labor intensive and I'm not ready for it. But she's like, we need to move some wood chips. We need to get some workout. Oh, that's her sort of way of saying we both need to lose weight. But I am definitely going to need some wood chip to fill in all the way in front of the patio, along the sides of the patio, and of course down the side of the house where the cut flower garden is, and then several spaces in the back, like I showed you all, where the water just moved the wood chip. So I will need a chip drop, but I'm not ready for chip drop, y'all. It is very labor intensive, very labor intensive. But it's definitely something that I am going to have to get. I don't believe they deliver wood chips in the fall. They might, I'm not certain. I think maybe the spring might be the best time, but I definitely need a chip drop, and I don't want to purchase uh, that much wood chip. Y'all, so much water. Let me show you what's going on the table. Just notice the table. I'm setting up to start some seeds, and my trays are absolutely full of water. Wow. I also had some herbs sitting on top of these totes that my girlfriend gave me, and a ton of water up there as well. Unbelievable. Today we had a deluge, y'all. We had a complete deluge. If you are like me here in South Texas and you're experiencing natural disasters, major weather conditions, please do not drive if you cannot drive. If there's a low water crossing, please do not try to cross that low water crossing. We have had loss of life this week due to people trying to cross low water crossings. If you have the ability to stay home, please, please, please stay home. Your life is worth more. Okay? Get home safe to your families, and I hope to see you soon. Bye for now.